I am in love with throwback recipes. You know, the kind of recipes that you grew up eating, and now that you're all grown up, you can relive them and turn them into something that's absolutely spectacular. With everybody on the low carb and keto phase, I've got a great way to enjoy that childhood favorite without all of the guilt. My sweet potato sloppy joes are quick, they're easy, and I guarantee they're a great way for you to relive your childhood with just a simple bite. First, I'll preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then, I'll take sweet potatoes and wrap them in aluminum foil. I'll add them to a baking sheet and they go off in the oven until they're tender. Meanwhile, I'll start on the sauce. It begins by sauteing onion, bell pepper, celery, and fresh garlic until fragrant. Then in a small bowl, I'll mix together ketchup, a pinch of Dijon mustard, along with garlic paste, brown sugar, and a squeeze of lime juice. I'll set the whole thing aside to use it a little bit later. For the actual sloppy joe, I'll heat a skillet and then add in olive oil. Then I'll add in equal parts of ground chuck and ground pork. I'll cook the meat until it's browned nicely, then I'll deglaze with a little bit of bourbon, and then I'll add in that sauce to simmer just for a few moments. To serve the whole dish, I'll split open the sweet potatoes straight from the oven and then pour over as much of the sloppy joe mixture as one could stand. I'll top them with fresh scallion, a dollop of sour cream, and then this is how you enjoy one of my childhood favorites. You have to give this recipe a try. You're going to be in love just like I am. For the full recipe, you know exactly where to go. On my website, it's dariuscooks.tv. There are two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours.